फाटले कांय दीस आदीं बागा वाठारांत एका अस्तंत बंगालाच्या बायलेचेर जाल्ल्या सामुहीक बलात्कारा म्हाका प्रसार माध्यमां वयल्यान म्हायती मेळ्ळ्या. ह्या प्रकरणा विशीं अजून मेरेन समाज कल्याण खात्यान कसलीच कागाळ येवंक ना. पूण सामुहीक बलात्कारांत कोणाचो आस्पाव आसा हे विशीं गोंय पुलीस खोलायेन चवकशी करतले अशें समाज कल्याण मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसायान सांगलें. मंगळारा पत्रकारांनी विचारिल्ल्या प्रश्नांची जाप दितना तो उलयतालो.
No, I have just gone through the media and it is revealed that woman, challenged woman is gang raped by 6 of the others who are not identified so far. आणि पोलिसांनी ताजे कॉग्निजन्स घेतिल्ले आसा. शी इज बीन ब्रॉट टू द police station and though we have not received any complaint as such either in social welfare department or Divyang Commissioner, the State Commissioner for Person with Disabilities. We have not received so far any complaint, but taking the cognizance of media reports, the Commissioner and the department has asked for the details and directed the police officers who are investigating the case to give us a report of all the findings. आणि ताजे नंतर आमी कितें करपाक जाता तें पळयतात की what way we can help the victim or what way we can take care of the victim. कशें जाता कितें जाता तें आमी पळयतले.
स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शनूय मागता.
Definitely it is a stern action should be initiated. That is what the direction goes from our department and Divyang Ayukt. So we have directed the police department to take stern action and a fair investigation has to be carried out and the report needs to be submitted to the department so that in future such cases should not happen.